Welcome to the Lumension Patch and Remediation video vignette series, in which we discuss how to use specific features and capabilities of Lumension Patch and Remediation to improve the security of endpoints in your organization's network. Hi, my name is Andrea Hillwig, and in this episode I'm joined by Russ Ernst from Product Management to show you how you can use Lumension Patch and Remediation to centrally manage system desktop configuration tasks and policies. System desktop configuration tasks such as disk defragmentation and enforcement of security settings are important to keep desktops running efficiently, but they can take a lot of time and resources if done manually. Many organizations don't perform these system configuration tasks often enough if they are not automated, and thus render their systems vulnerable. So Russ, how can one centralize and automate these tasks to ensure they run on a regular basis?
Well, thanks, Andrea. We can use Lumension Patch and Remediation to run a number of different system management tasks and policies in our environment. So the first thing I want to do here is review, other, and I have a special filter here just for system management content. Now, Lumension has gone ahead and created a number of these policies and tasks that are common throughout many organizations, and these range from managing your disk defragmentation to disabling some of the third-party application updaters that are out there. So in this example, you can see we have a number of different policy and task content types. The difference here is that a task is something that you can apply over and over again, like a disk defragmentation, whereas a policy is something that you can set to a specific endpoint, and it's typically done on a one-time basis, and then it can be enforced. So for policies, you will actually have an accurate reading of a patched or non-patched status, where an endpoint will show patched for a policy if that policy is enabled on that endpoint. In a task, it's not going to show whether it's patched or not patched, because I could always deploy this content to those endpoints. Now, one of the things we would like to do with the system management content too is you can actually filter on additional information here. So this is all of our Adobe specific system management content that we have today. And typically our policy information will be grouped into a group of a policy to enable or disable functionality. So in this case you see a pair of system management policies to both disable the Adobe Air Updater and then enable the Adobe Air Updater in the environment. I haven't actually deployed this to any of the endpoints in my environment, but also what we have here is the ability to allow opening of non-PDF file attachments. What's important to note here is in our descriptions for the system management content, we're explaining exactly which registry key is being updated for this specific functionality. You can also create custom content for specific registries that you're aware of for specific configuration policies. And then it's just as simple as deploying this system management content out to your environment using our integrated deployment wizard. So it's that easy.
Great, thanks Russ.
You're welcome.
We hope that you enjoyed this short video on how Lumension Patch and Remediation helps you improve your security posture and lower your total cost of ownership. For more information, please visit the Patch and Remediation page on our website, where you can also get free premium security tools to assess your network today. Thank you.